Ended that last video a little too quick, man. I could have extended that content. Look up, folks. Yeah, so I'm always looking down. I watch for snakes. I mean, shit, look what I'm in. It's 90 degrees in the woods. The path is down there. Where's Jackie? Jackie! Yeah, she's down there. I'm in the flipping woods, bro. So I look down for Jake the snake. And look here. Looky, looky. Right in the, like, right in a 90-degree patch of sun. Chicken of the woods growing. Boys, I want you to look right here. Got to have that motherfucking chicken of the woods, boys. So this whole damn stump will probably keep producing then. Big old tree. What is this thing? Big beech tree? What is this? I need to leave. Might be oak. But yeah, here we go. That, folks, is chicken of the woods. Almost unmistakable, has no toxic lookalikes. My favorite.